Kape is life.
I could not agree more. Kaya naman super duper happy ako to be a part of Jollibee's launch of their newest coffee blends. Grabe naman no, flat lay pa lang ramdam mo na yung uhaw. But of course, before magpakalunod sa kape, kakain muna tayo. They served us a complete meal to start off and nandito lahat ng Jollibee favorites ko. They started introducing the coffee blends lineup and lalo ko na-excite after learning that they're made from 100% Arabica beans pala. We also got to meet Atasha Mulak, the newest ambassador for Jollibee. And now, it's time to get caffeinated. This is the iced latte priced at 50 pesos for regular and 75 pesos for a large cup. This was refreshing, not too milky or too sweet, and lasa mo pa rin yung coffee. Pero kung gusto mo yung something more energizing, yung tipong gigisingin ka talaga throughout the day, go for the hot fresh brew priced at 45 pesos only. Ito yung naging favorite ko from the lineup and nag-uwi talaga ako niyan kasi ang sarap. Their iced sweet black has a bolder flavor